Hey everybody, you've got Francine and John, and we welcome you into the channel. You're here to see what kind of cool stuff that we sell so that you can go out into the wild and find it. So we're here to help you guys become better resellers. If you would come into our video, today we're going to be talking about the topic that I put out in the last video, and it's eBay delisting our stuff. I'm going to take you guys over here. Francine's got to pull something out of one of the totes up here, so we're going to let her go pull that, but I want to show you guys, we're going to flip this around here, and I want to show you guys the pile of junk over here. Well, we're going to flip you back around again. You're getting flipped like a flapjack, but all of this stuff here, all of this, most all of this, all of this, and all of that was not listed on eBay. And I believe, I have a suspicion that eBay is delisting items off of their platform, that if they're not getting views, because this is some pretty junky stuff, like who needs an old steak knife set and another old knife set and some old handkerchief and some artwork that just wasn't that great looking, some games that really were never that popular. It was stuff that I bought on clearance, and I think that eBay is delisting this stuff. But what did you find there, Francine?
It's a knife. Richard's Sheffield rare tobacco pipe.
It's a pipe knife. See, this is the end here that whenever you put your tobacco into the pipe, you tamp it down in there, and then it's got like a little knife here to help clean the... I guess when you smoke, I've never smoked tobacco, but when you smoke a pipe, like it gets stuff built up inside of it, and you got to clean it out. And no one else knew what it was at the auction. I bought it because I thought it was interesting, and if you've never seen it before, you should buy it, because it could be junk, like some of that stuff over there, but it could be a good item like that. And how much did it sell for?
$24 plus shipping.
Okie dokie. Well, that's fantastic. Okay, we've been working on our teleportation skill. So what we're going to do is we are going to teleport to the basement. Do you guys believe? I need you guys to really believe in our ability to teleport, or it won't work. So let me know down below. Go down below and subscribe and believe. Right, I believe. And we're going to do it in 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh my God, how'd I end up in the freaking bathroom? Francine, where are you at? Are you down here? You made it. Okay. Okay, we're okay, people. That was weird. I don't know how I ended up. We're new at this stuff. I ended up in the bathroom. We'll be okay. I guess we got items to pull. I guess we can get to it. Okay, Francine, what is the first item that we need? I know she's going right for it.
Guitar pedal or something.
It's a guitar pedal or something. You guys couldn't hear because she's facing away from the camera when she talks. But we're going to try to find a... Yeah, she's trying to stay in frame. My beautiful redheaded Vanna White. Gosh, God has blessed me with such an awesome wife. She puts up with all of my stupid stuff, including the teleportations into the bathroom. And this is a pedal that I bought. I paid $5 for it at the auction. How much did it sell for?
$56.66.
I like those kind of increases. Those are the increases that the Bible talks about. I like them. Okay, the next item that we sold, you can't miss them down there, Francine. I put all the VCRs in one place. I've been cleaning out, as I told you, I've been cleaning out all of this stuff. I'll grab that one. And we sold two items that I had listed. I better turn around because I'm too old to walk backwards. I'll break something. We sold two items that I had listed at one point, but now they're no longer listed. It's two of these VCRs. I had to retest them, make sure they work, because sometimes I list stuff as parts or repair. And how much did these sell for, Francine?
$39.95 a piece plus shipping.
So that's $80 right there that was listed. Now, I don't know why they didn't sell the last time I listed them. Probably because I listed them too high. I have a theory that in the 2020 COVID crisis, that money was aplenty. It was aplenty out there, right? So they gave us all this money from the government, and people were buying stuff and listing it really high. And I think that's what Johnny did here. I think I listed some of this stuff really high, and then as the COVID money went away and reality set in, that we're all a bunch of basic broke somethings, that stuff started decreasing in value. And I think that's what those VCRs did. I probably had them listed at one time for like $50, and they actually were $40 VCRs. And then after 5 years of Johnny not checking inventory, guess what happens? They eventually get delisted because nobody's looking at them, because there's only about 5 billion VCRs listed on eBay. So That's my theory, but that's $80 right there going out the door. I had to do nothing. It was just lost money sitting in my inventory over here. So it makes me wonder how much more of this stuff is not listed. Only 2 more things after this, and we're going to turn around here. There's my beautiful wife. And we sold a perfume. I only list full perfumes on eBay. The perfumes that aren't full, they go to Macari, because Macari ain't a bunch of bitches about listing half full perfumes over there. And I have people watching my videos going to report me because they, oh, Johnny listed a half full bottle of perfume. You ain't gonna find any on eBay now. That is a wonderful bottle of perfume. I bought it for a couple bucks at an auction. I bought a whole bunch of perfumes on a table at the auction. And how much did that sell for?
Sold for $64.95 plus shipping.
Yeah, some perfumes are really rare, and people don't even care if they still smell good. I don't know why.
I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but it doesn't smell bad.
Yeah, though that's still a pretty good bottle of perfume, but the really old stuff. The best bottle of perfume that we ever sold, Tiffany. We were on our way to a wrestling match down in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, going to a CCW representing, and we went down there and we walked in, and I found like 3 or 4 bottles of vintage perfume, and it was probably $600 or $700 total in all the perfume that I found. But that one bottle, sold for $300 bucks.
I don't remember. But
we sold it, and it came back, and then we sold it again.
Really, I don't remember that.
I think so. I think so. Maybe.
It's
Hey, that's par for the course with the eBay buyers sometimes. Oh, I just hit my head on that item. That's the problem when I focus on this. I'm beating myself up. We're not gonna take it. Hey, we ain't gonna take it. She's not gonna take it anymore. I don't think that's it.
I thought that would be them.
It's right. And then I just put them up.
Oh,
Here's more recovered money. Recovered money that was listed in my inventory, and now I put it on eBay and sold it. And it is Twisted Sister. And how much did it sell for?
$20 plus shipping.
So between the VCRs and that, how much does that make?
$100.
$100 of recovered inventory.
And didn't we sell something yesterday that was?
We might have. I can't remember.
The motherboard or something.
Yeah, the motherboard, and that was $26. But if you look over here, look how clean this is. Look how organized. Like, I'm working my way down the shelves. I'm dusting them off because for some reason this concrete likes to shatter off and get all over everything. But I'm making my way down the wall here, and you can kind of see this is the nightmare here. This was pre-COVID stuff that I listed before we even had the building. So I know there's going to be money recouped there. We're gold sluicing in the basement with Francine. We're finding money in our listed pile. People have death piles. We have death piles in our listed pile that we didn't even know because eBay is delisting our garbage. Oh, we got this beautiful lady here. Her name is Megan. I like to call her Francine. It's a good family name. And what does she have? She has a dado blade. I have no idea what that is. I struggled to nail 2 pieces of wood together. I made that platform down there. I showed you in another video how I couldn't even get screws to go in all the way because I apparently supposed to drill a hole and then put your screw in. Who knew? Not me. How much did that sell for?
$60 plus shipping.
$60 plus shipping. So we've got Francine coming from the back. Let's peek around there. There she comes. There's that pretty lady. There's that beautiful woman. And she's got a mirror. And is that off of your Firebird?
My Firebird, yeah.
A 98 Firebird mirror. How much did it sell for?
$44.95 plus shipping.
$44.95 plus shipping. Those Firebirds are a endless resource of car parts to make money on. If you want to learn how to make money, you're definitely in the right channel. So you should go down and hit that subscribe button and like this video and leave Frances a comment and tell her how wonderful she is. That is going to be it. Hope you guys have a good day, and we're going to go out and play in the snow. Merry Christmas.